Hello, let us solve one question from CSR NET 2020 November linear algebra. The question is, let Qxyz be a real quadratic form, then which of the following are true? The first option is Q of x1 plus x2 yz is equal to Q of x1 yz plus Q of x2 yz for every x1, x2, y and z. Option 3, Q of x1 plus x2 y1 plus y2 z1 plus z2 is equal to Q of x1 y1 z1 plus Q of x2 y2 z2 for at least one choice of x1 x2 y1 y2 and z1 z2. Q of x1 plus x2 y1 plus y2 0 plus Q of x1 minus x2 y1 minus y2 0 is equal to 2Q of x1 y1 0 plus 2Q of x2 y2 0 for every x1 x2 y1 y2. Now option 4 is 2Q of x1 plus x2 y1 plus y2 0 plus 2Q of x1 minus x2 y1 minus y2 0 is equal to Q of x1 y1 0 plus Q of x2 y2 0 for every x1 x2 y1 y2. Now we know that we can write a quadratic form in the form of matrix. So Q of x y z is equal to x y z into A x y z column vector. Take A as general matrix A B C B D E C E F, where A has to be symmetric because Q is quadratic form, so A has to be symmetric. Then the general form of quadratic equation in xyz variable is Q of xyz is equal to ax square plus dy square plus fz square plus 2bxy plus 2cxz plus 2eyz. Now for option 1, Q of x1 plus x2 yz is equal to a into x1 plus x2 whole square plus dy square plus fz square plus 2b into x1 plus x2 y plus 2c into x1 plus x2 into z plus 2e into yz. When we solve this, we get ax1 square plus ax2 square plus 2ax1 x2 plus dy square plus fz square plus 2bx1y plus 2bx2y plus 2cx1z plus 2cx2z plus 2eyz. Now for RHS, qx1yz plus qx2yz is equal to axn square plus dy square plus fz square plus 2bx1y plus 2cx1z plus 2cyz plus ax2 square plus dy square plus fz square plus 2bx2y plus 2cx2z 2eyz. In LHS we get an extra term x1 x2 which is not in RHS, so option 1 is wrong. So option 1 is wrong. Now for option 2, Q of x1 plus x2 y1 plus y2 0 plus Q of x1 minus x2 y1 minus y2 0 is equal to a into x1 plus x2 square plus d into y1 plus y2 square plus 2b x1 plus x2 into y1 plus y2 plus a into x1 minus x2 square plus d into y1 minus y2 square plus 2b x1 minus x2 into y1 minus y2. When we solve this polynomial, we get this form. So option 2 is correct. Option 4 is incorrect because of when option 2 is correct, then option 4 is incorrect because here option T, Q of x1 plus x2 plus y1 plus y2 0 plus Q of x1 minus x2 y1 minus 2 0 is equal to 2Q x1 y1 0 plus 2Q x2 y2 0. But for option 4, here 2 multiplied, so it has to be here 4 multiplied, then option 4 is correct. So option 2 is correct, option 4 is incorrect. Now for option 3 given that q of x1 plus x2, y1 plus y2, z1 plus z2 is equal to q of x1, y1, z1 plus q of x2, y2, z2 for at least one choice of x1, x2, y1, y2, z1, z2. So we have to only find one example which satisfies this condition. Let us take x1, x2, x1, y1, z1 is equal to 0, 0, 0 and x2, y2, z2 as for any value. Then this this example satisfy option 3, so we can find one example which satisfy option 3. So option 3 is also correct. So in this question we found that option 2 is correct and option 3 is correct. Thank you.